I just sold some stuff on poshMark that I need to mail off. I bought these Nike Tech set for $50 last week. I wore it once, just resold for like 90 or something. I gotta mail that off. What else? I have to mail this off. It sold for like 80. I paid like $15 for it on TikTok. I just sold 2 of these to 2 different people on poshMark. I paid like $5 for each one on Etsy. I just sold them each for like 20. I got a few left. If you guys want to buy them, DM me on Instagram. I'm gonna drop my name right here. poshMark pays for shipping, so you don't gotta worry about paying out of pocket, which is why I love like poshMark over like eBay and all these other stuff where you gotta pay for shipping. Even though the customer gives you the money like a month later, they reimburse you, but poshMark, you gotta use no cash. Prepaid shipping, you only mail poshMark stuff, and priority mail, it's free shipping. You just go to the post office, grab you some of these. I got one left. I could just put one in here. Tomorrow, take the label right here. If you're still watching, just hit that like button. Hit that like button one time. I'm your poshMark teacher. I told myself I'm giving you the game so you don't gotta make the mistakes I made. You can learn from them, achieve as much in a shorter amount of time with the knowledge I'm gonna give you. Free game. You dig? When you take pictures for poshMark, make sure you got some good lighting. If you got dark colors, use a light background for the picture so it stands out more. Make sure it's presentable. You see what I'm saying? I got you see how it stand out with the background? When you're taking pictures, you want to get like every detail. Like boom, you want to get that, a whole one. If you wore it, just tell them you wore it. They really don't care. They still gonna pay for it. So don't be trying to get over on people on poshMark. Just put it in the description. Put fast shipping in the description. Describe the condition it's in, whether it's in mint condition, used. Then you just take all the stuff that you sold to your nearest post office, have your printed labels out so you could just tape it on to the envelope or box that you're shipping your stuff out of. Get your receipt just for backup in case they say you never sent it. Okay, now I'm gonna show you guys how to get more sales faster. Just hit that arrow, then you can hit select all, or you just individually select which ones you want to sell that you haven't sold already. Then you hit share to followers right there at the bottom of the screen. Those some stuff I sold already, but yeah, you just hit that share to followers and it'll upload. Or you could go to your page and upload them individually, but you want to do this every 2-3 hours at minimum. And another thing you want to do is go through your followers, follow everybody back. This ain't Instagram, man. Just follow everybody back, and then you go to an individual post you did, and you can see who liked it. Then you could send each person a personal offer, lower than what you got listed. And then you could do the discounted shipping, free shipping, and it'll tell you how much you'll make profit. And I didn't want to do that, so I gave them like $1 off on shipping. And then I sent it off to everybody that ever liked the post. You dig? So that's all you really got to do. And you could hit each individual picture and just hit that share button. You know what I'm saying? Go follow me on. It's just some reviews that people left me behind. But just go follow me on there. I'll reshare your stuff as long as you hit that like button. Hit me up on Instagram. Make sure you subscribe. And all right, I'm out.